Hello, my name is Carla Blakely, and I will be teaching your students Physics 1 class in room G145 of the main high school building. I can be reached via phone at 447-3231 or my email address kblakely@linmar.k12.ia.us, also through PowerSchool Learning and Unified Classroom. A little bit of information about me. I received my undergraduate degree from the University of Iowa, a bachelor's in chemical engineering, and I have done graduate work at both the University of Iowa and UNI, and this is my 20th year of teaching here at Linn-Mar High School. Regarding your student science class, Physics 1 is a course that provides a basic foundation in physics. During this class, students will be discussing topics related to, but not necessarily limited to, one-dimensional motion, forces and Newton's laws, energy, momentum and collisions, electricity and magnetism, and waves. Physics 1 will have a focus on data collection and analysis as well as problem-solving skills. During Physics 1, your student will take part in a variety of classroom activities that include labs, independent and small group work, completion of homework problems, whole class discussions or mini lectures, as well as assessments, both the formative variety based off of daily work, conversations with students, and some online practice and questions, as well as summative assessments in the form of tests, quizzes, and standard assessments. Your student is a member of the section of blended physics that is available during the fall semester. Students can earn release privileges by completing all required assignments and making satisfactory progress on standards. Release days will occur no more than 2 days each week, and the learning that may be occurring on release days can take the form of online readings, completion of simulations along with some analysis questions, practice questions or quizzes, response to discussion questions that will be posted through PowerSchool Learning, as well as completion of some problems and some lab reports. Physics 1 student sheet found on PowerSchool Learning contains the classroom expectations for this semester. Dates for assignments and assessments can also be found on PowerSchool Learning. Materials that your student will need on a daily basis include a notebook or loose leaf paper and a 3-ring binder, a pen or pencil, scientific calculator, and their school-issued laptop. The laptop will be necessary on a daily basis as we will be using an online textbook this year that is available through ck12.org, which we access using Clever via Office 365 found on their school-issued laptops. The standard school-wide grading scale will be used for Physics 1, and cutoff percentages are shown on this slide. Student grades will be calculated using category weights, 20% for daily assignments and homework, 30% for labs, and 50% for quizzes, tests, and standard assessments. Changes and updated information for the course will be found on PowerSchool Learning, in addition to being announced in the classroom and written on the boards in room G145. If you need to contact me or need any additional information, please feel free to send me an email or leave a message on my classroom phone that is listed at the beginning of this video, or send me a message via PowerSchool Learning and Unified Classroom. I'm looking forward to working with your student this year. We are off to a great start, and I can't wait to continue to get to know them. Thank you.